It's Bob the Builder now. He's happy. I accidentally ordered a baby for like a this. Y'all really want to see a wheelie? I don't have brake pads on this.
Oh.
Let's go check up on all of our bikes picks. Not here. Is that a rain droplet? No, I swear. I do not. Yeah, it's raining. Oh, I hope he's coming. I'm gonna go see what he's doing. What?
Roll up the windows before
Yeah, can you take that out? I'm trying to make a video. Dog, I'm gonna raise the seat. So, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys. Dude, let's get back. Don't hate on me. Yes, I have horses. Horse videos. I don't gotta ride them. Mind your own business, all my viewers. Every single one of them.
I told you we
should go inside, right? I think we should go. Nah, it's kind of stopped. Let's just jump. Even though this doesn't have any suspension. No faces. No face, no go-go. I guess I'll make the outro. Let's make the outro.